beginning of the fall semester not only brought an energy back to campus unseen since 2019, but an unprecedented 25% increase in new students year over year, the strongest indication yet that students have returned to their pre-pandemic educational goals. At events such as the Phi Theta Kappa kickoff, students expressed optimism about the year ahead and encouraged their peers to get involved.
As soon as I really dug in deep into it, I saw the amount of scholarships that they're doing and how many people they are helping out to get into their dream colleges. So I said, why don't I take the extra step and show people that we're here and we want to help other people? My main goal is always to help others, and so they can achieve their greatest goals.
STEM students became the story of the summer when they earned first place in the National Community College Innovation Challenge, sponsored by the National Science Foundation and American Association of Community Colleges. Selected from more than 40 submissions and 12 finalists, the Bergen team topped the competition with ScanCan, the intelligent recycling bin, a waste receptacle that rejects items unsuitable for recycling. Students Tyler Jacobs, Jacob Jelinski, and Rois Sholom, along with research mentors Professor Dr. Joseph Sivo and Luis de Abreu, developed the ScanCan prototype at the college's STEM Student Research Center. As the college continues to expand its partnerships with national advocacy organizations as part of its ongoing efforts to enhance diversity, equity, and inclusion at Bergen, Hispanic Association of Colleges and Universities Director of Strategic Partnerships and Initiatives, Diana Vasquez, visited to discuss the importance of interconnected relationships and collaboration with minority communities and the availability of internship programs for students. The event took place as part of National Hispanic Serving Institution Week, with Vasquez talking about how Bergen has made a difference.
It was very important in this trip that I come to Bergen Community College. It's been on our radar for quite some time. Bergen has been a Hispanic serving institution for 15 years, a registered one and probably an unregistered one before that, and really a pillar in New Jersey for championing Hispanic success. What's wonderful about an institution like Bergen is that by design, you guys are doing it every day, kind of in an effortless way, just by a design of who you are and the kind of students that are here.
Sociology student Yov Aaron has received a $1,000 scholarship as one of 207 Phi Theta Kappa Honor Society members named 2022 Coca-Cola Leaders of Promise Scholars, an award that more than 1,300 students applied for. Among his activities on campus, Aaron serves as Chief Justice and Chair of the Academic Committee of the Student Government Association. Most come to Bergen for an education. Kevin and Katie Mathis did too, and found true love along the way. Both Bergen class of 2009 graduates met during casting for Bergen Stage's The Importance of Being Earnest in October 2007, married in July 2017, and now have become married to the stage.
It was maybe the second or third rehearsal. We were in The Importance of Being Earnest, and I'm a very quiet person in a large group. It takes a lot for me to start talking to people. So I was sitting by myself during the rehearsal, and he came over and he mimed getting into a box because I was just sitting there. And he pretended to get in and he sat down in the box next to me.
The alumni pair have returned to the college to premiere their comedy film series, Life's Not Fair, which they wrote and directed.
Theater is like our big connector. We're both actors, and we got into also writing and a lot of the arts, so it was a great creative outlet for us. So it was very natural for us to just be like, let's create something.
The mockumentary follows the directors and performance company of a Renaissance fair celebrating their 10-year anniversary. Kevin Downing Productions and Kickstarter patrons helped make the 3-episode series a reality.
We knew right from the start that this is where we would want to premiere it, just because of how everything connects. So I'm super excited. Palms are a little bit sweaty, but you know,
it's really exciting. Yeah, whenever we come back, because we've done shows since we've graduated here, it's very home-like. We're very comfortable here.
Now that's a real Bergen love story. Time's up for now. We'll see you next month on Studio Bergen Remix.